Hey everybody, Queen Tay here. So today I'm bringing you something fun. We are doing a balancing series. So we'll just go through a few asanas or poses where we will be playing with our balance or using our balance to flow through different movements. So this is great for your core. This is great for strengthening your arms, your legs, your mental focus, everything. So put on something comfy, get on your mat, and I will see you shortly. All right, so we are starting at the top of our mats today. So bring your feet about hips width distance apart, which is approximately 2 fists. If you put them in between your feet, that will give you an approximate distance on hips width distance. Sometimes we feel like our hips are bigger than they are. So yes, we'll warm up with just a sun salutation or two. But let's come into our Tadasana, palms facing forward, gazes forward, let the chin be parallel with the floor. Engaging your ribs, tucking them in. Gently close the eyes or leave them at a low gaze, maybe looking at the tip of your nose just to keep your balance. Again, we are working with our balance today, so sometimes this can be quite challenging. Start by taking 5 intentional breaths, however you choose, however your body feels, whether it's in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose or out through your nose, in through your nose and exhale with a big old sigh. Just setting your intention. My intention is I will be focused. I am focused. 2 more breaths just like that. Slowly, and as I slow the breath, you'll feel it deepen. Breathing with steadiness and ease. And making it a point and purpose to continue these easy, or I should say, making it a purpose to breathe with ease throughout your practice. And if at any point you feel that you cannot control the breath, please, you feel free to go into a child's pose, to reset. Begin to flutter the eyes open. Take notice of how you feel. And as we warm up, let's inhale, arms reach high. Exhale, let's fold it forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Navel tucked in. Exhale, plant the hands, step back into a high plank. So from here, let's hold our plank as we shift our shoulders forward over our wrists. Come all the way on the tippy toes if you can. If you're on the balls of your feet, that's fine too. And let's count here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. As you exhale, come into your low plank or drop to your knees, chest, chin. If you saw the other videos, inhale, upward facing dog. Toes pressed into the mat, thighs lifted. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. So from here, let's pedal up the feet. This is our first downward dog. And eventually coming to stillness. Beautiful. From here, I want you to ripple forward back into that high plank. Let's hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shift the hips back, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Next inhale, let's ripple forward back to that high plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips come high, downward facing dog. Beautiful. So from here, you might want to remain here, or you can tiptoe just maybe about 2 inches higher. And I want you to press that left hand into the mat, enough that you, in your core, enough that you feel supported with one hand. From here, I want you just to, even if it's here, that's fine. I want you to take that right hand, I want you just to reach towards that left ankle, shining the right ribs up towards the ceiling. One more breath. Beautiful. Release that right hand back to the mat, downward facing dog. Keeping the knees engaged, navel tucked in. Now, grounding through all corners of the right hand, I want you to lift that left hand, keeping the heels pressing towards the bottom of the mat. Reach and grab that left ankle. As you shine the left ribs towards the ceiling. Gaze can be towards the ceiling if your neck allows. One more breath. Hello. Release the left hand, bring it back to the mat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. From here, I want you to ripple forward, giving your arms a break. Let's bring those knees to the mat just so you can catch your breath in our child's pose. Sinking the hips back, let the palms and the arms reach forward. Chin or forehead can come to the mat. Remember, you can come to this pose at any point during our practice. One more breath. Beautiful. From here, let's walk and have hands back, send our hips forward. Let's re-engage. Onto the toes, center your hips high, downward facing dog. From here, you can slowly just tiptoe towards the top of the mat to meet your hands. Inhale to lift halfway, navel tucked in. Exhale, fold it forward. Beautiful. Inhale, reach those arms all the way up. Exhale, hands at heart center. Beautiful. Let's flow through